Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and I'd like to wish you a good morning or a good afternoon or a good evening or a good night, wherever it is and whenever it is you're watching this video. And I'm so glad you're here. I'd like to chat with you today about think long term. Now, this is not going to be a very long video compared to some of the other videos I've made, but it's very important. I need you to think about everything you think, everything you say, and everything you do. It has consequences. Now, in a later video, I believe it's going to be vlog post number 2309, I'll talk about goal setting. But you always need to think long term about those things that you think, things that you say, things that you do, because everything that you think, say, and do has consequences. You need to think about what kind of person do you want to be? What kind of life do you want to be living a year from now, 5 years from now, 20 years from now? 20 years from now is not really a player for me because I'm 77 years old and I don't know if I'm going to be around in 20 years. But most of you watching this will be. So everything you think, everything you say, and everything you do is going to have a consequence, and it could have a big impact on who you are, where you are, what you have 20 years from now. There's a very wise saying I've heard from multiple sources. One of them is attributed to ancient China, but there's an awful lot of ancient Chinese philosophy that is wise, and this one I think is extremely wise, and we should all keep it in mind in everything we think and say and do. And that saying is this: you sow a thought, you reap some words. You sow some words, you reap an action. You sow an action, you reap a habit. You sow a habit, you reap a character. You sow a character, you reap a destiny. Basically, what that means is control your thoughts. You control it at step one of the entire process, and if you can control your thoughts, which you can do, you can control your destiny. So just think long term. Think, who do you want to be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now? Where do you want to be? What life situation do you want to be in? Now, one of the very most important decisions you can make in your life, I've made in another video, and if you click on that little card right there, it will take you to the video, and you can watch the most important decision you will ever make. It's a good video, and I urge everybody to watch it, and of course the two videos that follow that on the second most important decision and the third most important decision you will make. But for this video, the only thing I wanted to tell you was think long term. Think about the effects of your thoughts, your words, and your actions, and what they could have in a chain reaction long term. That's all I've got for this video. I hope you really enjoyed just hearing this and that you feel I've helped uplift you in some way. I hope you will also share it. Click on the share button down there to send this video to any of the other people you think might need to hear it. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up, because YouTube uses the thumbs up ratings to decide whether to share this video in their recommended videos down the right side of the feeds when people come to it on the YouTube platform. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section, or you can go to www.davidstutorials.com, go into the upper right hand corner where it says contact us, drop that menu down, and you will see vlog comments, and it will take you to a form where you can actually send me a private email if you have a comment just for me, or if you have a suggestion for a future vlog topic. I have a whole bunch of future vlog topics coming up. Matter of fact, as of right now, I think I've got about 36 on the list to cover. So we're not going to run out of stuff to talk about anytime soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know whenever we post another great vlog and tutorial right here on David's Tutorials. Take care, everybody, and have yourself an absolutely wonderful day.